75th Annual Golden Globe Awards, NBC at 8, Seth Meyers hosts the award show Sunday night. Nominees for Best Motion Picture include Get Out, Dunkirk, Lady Bird, I, Tonya, and The Post. Lloyd Bishop, NBC, All Times Eastern, Say Yes to the Dress, TLC at 8, Season 16. A Tale of Two Coreys, Lifetime at 8, the story of how two actors, Corey Feldman and Corey Haim, became young Hollywood stars. Corey Feldman, Moment of Truth, Lifetime at 10, the actor discusses his childhood in the spotlight and current crusade against sexual abuse in Hollywood. State of the Union, CNN at 9 a.m. This is America. Chris Van Hollen, DMD, chairman of the Democratic Senatorial Campaign Committee. Meet the Press, NBC at 10:30, Sen. Lindsay O. Graham, RSC, and Michael Wolff, author of Fire and Fury, Inside the Trump White House. Face the Nation, CBS at 10:30, CIA Director Mike Pompeo, Sen. Rand Paul, Archive, former Mississippi Governor Haley Barbour. Final Appeal, Oxygen at 7, former football star Brian Banks, who was exonerated after going to prison on a rape charge, teams up with former prosecutor Lonnie Coombs to investigate potential wrongful convictions. To Rome for Love, Bravo at 9, 5 women, who as black women in America share the same challenges of dating, head to Italy in search of love. The Chi, Showtime at 10, a drama about the South Side of Chicago created by Master of None, star Lena Waithe. Revenge Body with Khloe Kardashian, E! at 10, Season 2. Madam Secretary, CBS at 10, Vice President Hearst attempts to set Secretary of State McCord up for failure when she becomes threatened by her. The Wise Guys, Fox News Channel at 8, a roundtable discussion on the major issues affecting the nation, moderated by former Education Secretary William Bennett, Sarah Polley.